Hi guys and welcome back. So today we're making a 4-flavoured cheesecake. Let's begin. To start, you'll want to crush your biscuits. I opted to use a food processor, but you can also do it by hand. So once your biscuits are crushed, you will then want to add your butter and mix that in until it becomes a wet sand texture. You will then want to transfer that mixture into a lined 9-inch tin, getting as much of the mixture in there as possible. You will then want to push this down using a spatula, or you could also use the back of a spoon or a small bowl. So to divide the 4 cheesecakes, I use some biscuits to create a wall or a border. I use malted milk, but you could use whatever you've got. I couldn't quite get them to the very edge of the tin, but I did in the end. You'll then want to put this in the freezer while you make your fillings. So to make the cheesecake filling base, you will want to get your cream cheese or soft cheese. I will leave all the weights and measurements in the description down below into a bowl, along with your icing sugar, and beat the two together until well combined. Next you'll want to add in your vanilla and mix that in. So the next stage is to add all of your double cream into your mixture. Whip that over a high speed until the mixture has become thickened. You will be able to see this visually. So for the next stage you'll want to get 4 bowls and divide your mixture between the 4 bowls equally. I use weighing scales, but you don't have to. You could always eyeball this if you want to. So now you can make up the 4 different flavours of your cheesecakes. I will leave all the weights and measurements of everything I used down below, along with any other information you may need to know. So don't forget to check out the description of this video if you are interested in making this cheesecake. So the next thing is to remove your base from the freezer and then start adding your cheesecake fillings. I started with the black forest, then I added the caramel one. I then added the Ferrero Rocher filling. Again, you can do any flavours, but these are the flavours I decided to do. Then I added just the vanilla base, but we'll decorate them all. So then you can start to decorate it however you like. On the Ferrero Rocher one, I added 4 Ferreros. On the vanilla one, I just added 2 tablespoons of mixed jam and then swirled that around with a butter knife. For the black forest gâteau, I put some grated chocolate on top, piped some whipped cream, and then put a dollop of cherry jam on top. And then onto the caramel, I just drizzled some caramel and put some gold sprinkles on. Put this in the fridge to chill for a minimum of 4 hours, preferably overnight. So here is what the cheesecake looks like once it's been removed from the tin. I will then cut this up and put it into the fridge. One thing I do recommend is not putting it around people who like cheesecake, as when I woke up on the day this video was meant to be uploaded, somebody had actually eaten the caramel one, which really annoyed me. But yeah. So thank you for watching. If you've enjoyed, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more from me. I'll be back this week on Thursday with another video. Don't forget to subscribe, click the little notification bell, check out my social medias, and yeah, see you Thursday. Bye guys.